What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to swap USDC to Ethereum in Phantom Wallet. So you might be wondering how to exactly do so. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go open up your Phantom Wallet, and in here we want to choose the swap functionality. So at the very top you have receive, send, swap, and buy. So just click on swap here. Now, in here, we have two fields that we need to fill up. That is going to be the UPay and UReceive section. Now, since we want to swap USDC to Ethereum, the UPay section is going to be USDC. Now, the UReceive section is going to be Ethereum. So let's go ahead and click on our value here, or token, and let's go ahead and choose USDC. Now, from here, you want to go to select your UReceive section and basically just search for Ethereum. Now, by the way, you need to determine which, in this case, chain that you're going to use. So we have Solana chain, Ethereum, Base, and Polygon. So if you want to transfer to the Ethereum chain here, make sure to select that. And by the way, if you're going to do this, the fees are going to be really big. Like for example, if you're transferring, or if you want to transfer like 10 USDC here to another chain, usually the value itself is going to double, meaning you need to transfer double that amount in order for you to make the transaction. And also fees are going to be really big, like half, sometimes like half of the value that you are transferring. But then again, let's go and just give you an example here. Maybe I want to transfer to the Ethereum on the Solana chain here. Let's just, by the way, if you don't see it, just click on the search here, just type in ETH. Since ETH is for Ethereum, let's go and choose Ethereum here, or ETH, and from here choose the amount. So for example, maybe I want to transfer all or everything that I have here, and from here let's go ahead and click on the swap now value at the very bottom of your screen. Let's go ahead and click on it. Now, by the way, you review the fees, price impact, and the process itself might take a while. Now, sometimes the value itself might fail here, so your slippage is too low for the swap. So in this case, you want to increase that. So in this case, let's go ahead and go back here. Let's go ahead and click on the retry here. And from here, let's go ahead and click on the amount. And also just make sure to review a few things here. So as you can see, let's go ahead and choose it again. From here, let's go ahead and click on swap now and see if that actually works. So again, it might take a while, and as you can see, this swap is a success. So you want to go ahead and go back to your homepage here, reload your homepage, and you should be able to see the reflection or the value now in your wallet. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.